Hey YouTube family, so this is a recipe for my delicious and moist cornbread. So what I'm doing first is I am making some buttermilk because I didn't have any on hand. So I just had a cup of almond milk and added in some vinegar. That gives it the same effect as buttermilk, so we can have some moist bread. Then I have in one bowl my wet ingredients, which is some eggs, vegetable oil, a stick of melted butter, honey, vanilla extract, white sugar, and brown sugar. And then in my bowl for my dry ingredients, I have my salt, my cornmeal, and flour. And you want to give that a good mix too. And while you're doing all of this, have your oven preheated at 350 degrees. So then you put your wet with the dry ingredients, bake it for 25 minutes, and voila, look at how moist that is. It's so delicious. I would definitely recommend that you try this with the collard green video that I have. It is a good combination. Of course, you can't go wrong with collard greens and cornbread. A full description and measurements for this recipe will be listed below in the description box. I do appreciate you tuning in to Nothing Like Home. Thank you so much for the love and the support. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.